In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a pinned message to your YouTube video. This is a great way to highlight important information, promote a link, or engage with your audience. First, head over to your YouTube studio and select the video you want to pin a comment on. Scroll down to the comment section and find the comment you want to pin. If you haven't written it yet, type your message in the comment box and post it. Once your comment is live, you will see 3 vertical dots on the right side. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. Here you can select Pin from the options. YouTube will ask you to confirm if you want to replace any previous pinned comment. Click Pin to confirm, and that's it. Your comment is now pinned at the top of the comment section and viewers can see it first. Pinning comments is a powerful way to communicate any messages to your audience, so give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.